Corvette DNA Trivia, a fun trivia game for all Corvette enthusiasts. Start the game. You can play all years or pick a particular generation. Tap the generation button, then choose the generation. For this demo, we're going to just play all years. Now, choose a level to play. Get ready for the questions to start. You've got 20 seconds to answer multiple choice questions, picture questions, and true-false questions. The faster you answer, the more speed bonus points you earn. At the end of the round, your scores are totaled up. You get points for every correct answer. If you get 10 answers correct, you will win a free octane boost. You get more speed bonus points for answering quickly. Every correct answer puts fuel in your tank. When your fuel tank is full, you can take the challenge round and move up a level if you pass. Let's go back to the home screen. You can customize the look of the game with skins based on the generations of Corvettes. Select a different skin, like C7. We'll have all the themes available in the near future. Now the look of the game is like a modern Grand Sport with tension blue leather accents. There are 5 tiers in the game, and questions get harder in higher tiers. You can accelerate your winnings by using Octane Boost. Octane Boost removes one of the incorrect answers from every question. If you need to buy some, tap the button here on the level screen. Now you can buy some Octane Boosts here. I've already purchased a couple for this demonstration, but you can see they're a better value the more you purchase. Enable the Octane Boost. It makes multiple choice questions easier and true-false questions a lot easier. Let's go back to the home screen. Let's check on our progress in the game. Tap the level gauge to see our winning levels. Right now I'm on level 4. I've also unlocked level 3, level 2, and level 1 inside of tier 1. Here's the progress on each generation. You're also able to see high scores of other Corvette DNA Trivia players if you're signed into Game Center. Tap on the odometer to see the Game Center high scores. You can even share your high scores with friends. Just tap the share button to send a screenshot to them and challenge them to beat your score. Keep playing Corvette DNA Trivia and move up till you're an expert in Tier 5. Can you beat level 25? Corvette DNA Trivia. Download and play today.